So this is the knee joint with the total knee replacement or TKR install on it. This is very unique design in which you have seen there are knee joint as well as there is I show you. This is two components of total knee replacement as shown in green and red. Okay, so this is ANSYS, and in this video we also share some ANSYS simulation on it so that you can see the clear picture of stress generated in this. So there are multiple parts, that is 4 parts in this video, and the upper one is called femur bone or thigh bone. If it will open. Okay, this I want to actually I want to open in another file. So this that one is femur bone, the upper part. Okay, wait, I am changing the color of this upper part to blue, or you can say red. This is femur bone, again yellow color. So this is complete knee assembly. Okay, now I want to simulate this complete knee with some other design. Okay, wait for this.